Welcome. Today I am in East London. I'm at a place called Whitechapel, which is known as the Bangladeshi part of London. One thing which I like about Bangladeshis is that Bangladeshis are literally the kindest people ever. I've grew up all my life, with the Bangladeshi people, and they're literally the kindest people ever. So today, let's see how it is of East London. Inshallah, I really love this. As you can see, there is tomatoes, apples, fresh everything which they're selling early in the morning, and it's actually very beautiful to see. They're selling fish, they're selling clothing, literally everything, and mainly population here is Bangladeshi people. You see the banana all the way from Bangladesh. You see a lot of stuff, a lot of fruits here. You know what, there is a lot of these shops. These are Bangladeshi shops, as you can see. Abayas for like £5, perfumes. But this is the early morning market. As you can see, the fruits here are way cheaper than like the supermarkets and something like that. You get a good deal, honestly, and the fruits are actually fresh. You see pineapples, a lot of rare fruits, to be honest. And everybody's selling it. £2 per, cauliflower, perfumes. MashaAllah, it's actually very beautiful to see. I can hear the adhan right now. And let's go to the East London Mosque. No way, I can hear the adhan here. MashaAllah, you can hear the adhan outside. Wow, mashallah. Oh wow, mashallah, this right here looks so good. So right now I am inside the masjid here. Mashallah, it looks so nice. There's so many people here, and it's only a dhuhr prayer right now. Wow, mashallah, it looks very good. This is one of the best mosques which I've been to ever in my life in the UK, and everybody here is just so friendly and nice. Shukran, thank you. Look, they're giving me dates. One thing is, I'm actually very shocked about this masjid. This masjid here, as you could see right now, it is 1:44. It's like, let's say, half an hour after dhuhr, and there is still like people sitting inside the masjid, which is actually so beautiful to see. So this place is full of many people from different cultures. So you got Somali people here, you've got Bangladeshi. Right now I'm planning of eating some traditional Bangladeshi food. I get some food here. Assalamu alaikum. One vegetable roll. And was this meat or?
This one cow liver.
Cow.
This one meat samosa. Yeah.
Okay.
Meat shabbi kebab.
Okay, I'll take one lamb samosa, one vegetable roll. Okay, so right now we have some Bangladeshi food. We're gonna get some Bangladeshi food right now, and as you can see, it says it in the language as well. MashaAllah, thank you very much. So right now we have some Bangladeshi food. Let me know in the comment section. I forgot what's the name of this, but this right here is vegetable. I don't know what this is, but it looks very nice. And we have the lamb samosa. There is like different sauces here, and we have my friend here, Slay. Hey, let's go. Bismillah. It is so hot, but you know what? It actually tastes so nice. It has so much flavor. Oh my days. So I'm gonna put this sauce as well. I think this is like some chili sauce, and you put it together with this, and it tastes so nice. It has so much flavor. So we have a Bangladeshi samosa, as you can see right there. Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
It's nice though, the filling is so nice. Wow.
Oh wow, mashallah. You know what? Bangladeshis actually have good food. I'm actually shocked. We have the samosa right here. Oh wow. MashaAllah, it's so tasty. Bangladeshi food, I never knew it was this good. Oh wow. I like this so much. It has like some orange thing. And inside is like vegetables, something like that. And then you just have it. Oh wow. MashaAllah. Bangladeshi food is actually very good. I need to go visit Bangladesh one day. Because this food right here tastes so good. It tastes so nice. Bangladeshi food right here. So all of that costed me £6.60. £6.60, I don't know. Did I get scammed or not? £6.60?
That sounds alright.
Guys, please let me know. Like 2 samosas and one of those things are £6. £6.60, which is actually so expensive. When I was in like these Arab countries, all of that would have been like £1 or something. £6.60. I never knew London was this like expensive. It's actually so expensive.
London is so expensive. Some places they sell one samosa for £4 is crazy.
£4 is too much. £4 is too expensive. So right now I'm here at the masjid, and it's a quite unique masjid. This right here is one of the oldest masjids in East London and in the UK. So right now I'm going to be going and praying inside of it. Yeah. Oh wow, mashallah, look at this masjid. Mashallah, it's so beautiful, as you could see. Wow, I haven't seen a masjid like this before. It's a very old masjid, and as you could see, mashallah, it has a top floor and it has a bottom floor where you pray your salah. Mashallah, it's so beautiful. A lot of people are like to me, oh, you're in the UK, there's no masjids. Like, there's actually a lot of masjids, and some people feel like being a Muslim here is like
We got chicken biryani and vegetable. Which one do you want?
chicken.
Because they have second-hand knowledge and they do one-to-one training and they do like running schemes. So if you have a particular journey that you want to do, it's about discovering a nice way to do it.
So in the masjid, the imam invited me to come and have some biryani. I went inside and he said, oh, do you want to come eat biryani with us? There were like so many uncles, and I ate biryani with all of the uncles. Wow, these people are literally so kind people. I never experienced that kindness ever in my life. Even when you see on the media of what they say is crazy. Like, I haven't even experienced any of that, which they say that, oh, these people are bad people and all of that. They're actually the friendliest people I've ever seen in my life. Because it's winter time right now, it gets dark very early. It's only like 5 o'clock and it's already dark. After Maghrib prayer, it just becomes dark. I like the UK Muslims because you know what? They're very much on their deen, you know what I mean? Like, even on this cold weather, very cold, you still see them in the mosque. Like, I've been to many like Arab countries, and like to see like Dhuhr prayer like all packed out, mashallah, it's a blessing to see. So make sure you guys all like and subscribe and let me know where I should do next. Take care, and I'll see you guys in a bit.